If your car feels sluggish, idles rough, or your fuel economy has quietly gotten worse, dirty injectors are often the hidden culprit. The good news is you don't always need a full teardown to fix it. In this video, we're counting down the top 7 fuel injector cleaners that help restore proper spray patterns, reduce carbon buildup, and restore smoother performance. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Autel CT160. When you want quicker results than soaking parts in chemicals for hours, ultrasonic cleaning can feel like a cheat code. That is the big win here, especially if you are dealing with stubborn deposits that keep coming back. Autel's CT160 lets you clean up to 4 injectors at the same time, using ultrasonic action plus heating to help loosen carbon that is stuck inside tiny passages. For you, that means fewer "it helped a little" outcomes and more true before and after improvement. What makes it extra practical is the way it pairs cleaning with real testing. You can check leak behavior, spray pattern consistency, and flow balance under different simulated conditions, so you are not guessing which injector is still causing that shaky idle. It also includes multiple connectors and a storage drawer, which sounds small until you are mid-job and not hunting for adapters. This one is a strong, busy garage pick for repeatable cleaning and comparison. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. QP-King CT150. If you are trying to speed up diagnosis and avoid swapping parts blindly, this option leans hard into efficiency. It is built for people who want to clean, test, and make a decision in one workflow. QP-King's CT150 can run multiple professional-style checks while cleaning up to 4 injectors at once. The big day-to-day benefit is that you can quickly spot which injector is spraying poorly, leaking, or flowing unevenly, then address it right away. A standout feature is its focus on direct injection-style issues, including reverse flushing for injectors that are severely gummed up. That matters because a lot of modern drivability problems come from deposits you cannot simply wish away with a basic rinse. The control panel is designed to make repeatable results easier, so if you are doing multiple vehicles or revisiting the same customer later, you can keep your process consistent. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. QP-King CT160. QP-King's CT160 combines ultrasonic cleaning with heated fluid, which is great for breaking down the sticky buildup that regular rinsing can leave behind. For you, that translates into better odds of restoring proper atomization instead of just clearing the easiest debris. It also includes a wide set of testing modes that simulate how an engine behaves at different speeds. That is useful because an injector can look fine at idle but fall apart under load, which is exactly when you feel hesitation or weak power. The compact design makes it easier to store and move around, especially if your workspace is not a full-size shop. And the drain valve is a real convenience when you are doing multiple sets and want less mess. Overall, this is a practical mid-list pick for users who want clean plus confirmation, not just a quick wash. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. CM Tool. For anyone who wants pro-style results without overcomplicating the process, this one brings a strong mix of cleaning power and clear diagnostics. It is especially nice when you are trying to compare injectors side by side. CM Tool uses ultrasonic cleaning to dig into varnish, sludge, and carbon that can distort spray shape. In real life, that matters because even a small spray pattern problem can cause rough idle, poor throttle response, and higher fuel use. After cleaning, the testing modes help you catch the injector that is still off. You can check leakage, spray angle, flow volume, and balance, which makes it easier to decide whether cleaning fixed it or if a replacement is the smarter call. The digital controls let you tune the testing behavior, so you can build a routine that works across different vehicles instead of doing a one-size-fits-all approach. It is designed for running up to 4 injectors with a larger fluid setup, making it a great choice when you want consistent comparisons and fewer maybe it is better conversations. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Mr. Cartool V209. If you like tools that feel automatic and guided, This is a strong fit. It is made to help you get repeatable outcomes without turning every job into a science project. Mr. Car Tools V209 combines ultrasonic cleaning with automatic heating, which helps loosen deposits more effectively while keeping the workflow simple. That is helpful when you want a quick turnaround and do not want to babysit the process. It can handle 4 injectors at once and supports a wide range of simulated running conditions. For you, that means you can test how injectors behave during idle, mid-speed, high-speed, and acceleration-style scenarios, instead of trusting a single basic check. One practical advantage is its compatibility focus for different injector types, including setups commonly found in modern gasoline engines. So if you are working across mixed vehicles, it is less likely to feel limited. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Mr. Car Tool V308. When you want a more workstation feel with easy monitoring, this one stands out. It is a good match for people who want clear visibility while testing and cleaning. Mr. Car Tools V308 offers ultrasonic cleaning with a larger tank and heated fluid, which can make a real difference on injectors that have been neglected for a long time. The benefit to you is that you can tackle heavy buildup without needing multiple cleaning cycles. The interface is designed to be easy to follow, with gauges and visual indicators that help you track what is happening in real time. That reduces mistakes and helps you feel confident you are not overdoing or underdoing the process. It includes a broad set of test functions so you can confirm uniformity, check leakage, and measure spray volume across different simulated conditions. In everyday use, that is how you get rid of rough idle and inconsistent acceleration that comes from uneven fueling. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Auto C100. If you want the biggest real-world improvement without pulling injectors out, this is the kind of kit that feels like a lifesaver. It is built for drivers and mechanics who want to clean the whole fuel system path efficiently and get the car feeling responsive again. Auto's C100 focuses on high and low pressure style cleaning for key areas that influence performance, helping remove carbon buildup that can drag down power and worsen fuel economy. The main benefit is time. Instead of a long teardown, you can run a more direct cleaning process and often notice smoother driving soon after. It is designed to be straightforward to operate, with pressure adjustment and a sturdy build that makes it feel dependable in regular use. The included adapter set is a big deal because it helps fit a wide range of vehicles, so you are less likely to buy extra parts just to get started. It also stores neatly in a protective case, which is perfect if you do mobile work or just want everything organized. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best fuel injector cleaners that you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.